Hello guys, welcome to JC channel. Today we are going to discuss about the introduction of medical coding. Please watch full video for complete information about medical coding. So come on guys, let's get into our video. Medical coding. What is medical coding? Before we know what is medical coding, we should know about revenue cycle management. When you understand what is revenue cycle management and how it works, you'll get the idea what's the role of medical coder they are doing in medical coding. Revenue cycle management is a financial process. This will track the patient care episode from the date of scheduling appointment to the final payment paid to the provider. Here I am mentioning doctors and hospitals as a provider because they are providing the treatment. So here I am mentioning they are as a providers. Now I am going to explain about how revenue cycle management is working in US healthcare system. From here, I'm gonna tell like a story. When the insurance holding member is not feeling well or having some health issue, they can call doctor office and then they can schedule the appointment. On the appointment day, patient need to go hospital. After the arrival of patient, demographic notes such as name, date of birth, insurance details, everything will be verified at the front desk. Once this verification is done, patient will be moved to triage to take vital signs. After this, patient is allowed to see the doctor. Once the treatment done, patient can leave the doctor office with the guidance of the doctor. The data that includes the patient arrival, the treatment which was provided by the provider, everything will be recorded in the voice recorder or electronic medical record. This will be moved to medical transcription department. The medical transcriptionist convert all the voice recorders into electronic medical record. The converted medical records will come to medical coding department. Medical coders need to look at the chart and have to analyze with what condition patient came to hospital, what are the treatments provided by the provider, what are the services utilized for the visit, everything need to be captured. Each conditions, procedures and services should be coded. To understand easily, the medical coder job is provide all the collective data in a single page by using medical coding to simplify the billing process. Now, once the medical coding and internal audit has been done, the data will be moved to medical billing department. The medical biller will enter all the codes which was coded by the coder into the medical billing tool. Each code will have a separate dollar value. Once the bill is generated by the medical biller, this will be moved to insurance. This bill will be verified once again from the insurance department. If everything is clear, the provider will be getting paid. If anything is incorrect or having some issues, this will be moved to denials management for recheck. This is how revenue cycle management works. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for more information and please share our videos for others to know about medical coding information. So see you guys. Take care. Bye bye.